lost my voice. Hey my FAQs, good morning and welcome to another daily vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is TheEmemEne. I'm a beauty, wellness and lifestyle content creator, and if you find yourself scrolling through YouTube and you saw my thumbnail and decided to give me a try, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you click off, because sometimes we're watching the video, we're enjoying the vlog, and we just forget to subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. But if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. I love you so much. This is my official first vlog of 2024. I'm just literally getting back into the routine of filming, vlogging, editing and all of that good stuff. So you guys really loved my last vlog, which was my daily vlog. It's just basically me putting together footage and clips from my ordinary daily life, and you guys seemed to enjoy it because it was quite relaxing and I enjoyed actually filming with it. So my PINIES, I'm back with another daily vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. I know it's going to be a really good vlog. I can just like feel it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and always drop me a comment if you enjoyed the vlog, what you enjoyed, what you didn't enjoy, or what you think would look nice in my vlogs, or what you'd like for me to try. Please leave them in the comment section. I love replying and reading comments. And yeah, make sure you watch this space because I have amazing things coming this year. Okay, I'm a Nigerian if you're watching outside of Nigeria, and our motto for this year is no grief for anybody. So basically it means I don't know how to say it in English. It just basically means do your best and don't let anybody, like, you know, oppress you or like bully you and stuff like that. So I'm going to be coming really hard with the content this year, so make sure you watch this space. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for clicking my video and giving me another chance in 2024. I appreciate it. So yeah, my FAQs, I'll see you guys in the vlog. show them your outfit. Oh, so cute. Hi, tiny curlies. How cute, mama. I'm a bit scared.
Please remain seated and refrain from talking during measurement, and keep cuff at the heart level.
Good morning, my PINIES. Good morning. Oh my goodness, I look so dull. I look so dull in the face, and my voice has also gone. I really don't know where Harmattan came and went and then came back again. The weather has been crazy. If you're watching from outside Nigeria and you're not like Nigerian or African, Harmattan is basically our dry season, which is much dustier, cooler. It's basically our own winter. But anyways, my PINIES, good morning. Today is Monday. I have quite a number of things to do. I'm resuming back to content creation on February 1st, so I have quite a lot of things to do. But I'm so sorry, my voice. I've lost my voice. I don't know what's up with that, but I'll probably drink some green tea and then I think it will help. But yeah, my pioneers, let me know in the comment section if you lose your voice during Harmattan and what you do if you lose your voice. But yeah, I just want to come and say good morning, everybody. Good morning. Thank you so much for watching the vlog up until now. I haven't vlogged like this in a while, so it's very different for me because I've just been relaxing. But I hope you guys have been enjoying this vlog, and I hope 2024 has been behaving. Literally 2024 has been a mess. Like, it's been such a mess on social media. Everybody's fighting. The theme for 2024 literally is going around like no grief for anybody. Nobody wants to grieve for anybody, and me too. I'm not going to grieve for anybody this year. I'm going all in with my content, literally. Like, prepare to be sick of me. But yeah, my pioneers, I just want to come and say good morning and thank you so much if you have gotten to this part. And yeah, my pioneers, my natural nails have been doing so good ever since like I took a break from getting them done. I'll probably get them done sometime soon, but they look so good. Wow, I can't believe I grew nails this long. It's crazy. But yeah, my pioneers, I'll catch you guys when we get to work, okay?